In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Books to Google Sheets. If you're tracking sales, expenses, or invoices in Zoho Books and want to review them in a spreadsheet, connecting it to Google Sheets makes reporting and analysis much easier. Start with a Google Sheet open. At the top, click Extensions, hover over Add-ons, and choose Get Add-ons. That opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you'll find integrations that plug directly into your spreadsheet. In the Marketplace search bar, type Zoho Books. You'll see several Zoho Books connectors for Google Sheets from different developers. That's normal. These tools vary in features, update frequency, and support. Click into any option that looks promising to see if it matches your needs. On the Details page, read the description, check the screenshots, and look at reviews and the last updated date. It's also helpful to check the permissions, the add-on requests, and the developer's website so you're comfortable with how it works. When you found the connector you want, click Install. Google will prompt you to choose your account and grant permissions. This step lets the add-on run inside Sheets and connect to your data as described. If you're using a work or school account, you might need admin approval. If that message appears, follow your organization's process. After installation completes, the add-on will guide you through linking it to your Zoho Books account. Each connector handles this slightly differently, so simply follow the on-screen steps it provides. Typically, you'll be asked to sign into Zoho, authorize the connection, and select the organization or company file you use in Zoho Books. Some connectors also let you choose which modules to access, like invoices, contacts, or items, and how often to refresh the data. Take a moment to review those options so the import aligns with how you plan to use the sheet. Once the linking step finishes, the connection is active. From there, you can run the add-on's import or sync functions to pull your Zoho Books data into the current sheet and start working with it. If anything doesn't look right, revisit the add-on settings or documentation inside the same menu where you installed it, and that's it. You've connected Zoho Books to Google Sheets, and you're ready to analyze, share, and update your data right from your spreadsheet. Remember that some connectors offer scheduled refreshes or custom queries, so explore those features once you're set up. If you decide to try a different connector later, simply repeat this process for the option that best fits your workflow.